What you're looking at right here is an 06 Ford F-150 fuse box. This is the motherboard. This casing right here sets over it so that all these little prongs can adapt to all the plugs that are inside the box. Over here is another casing. There's a way to unplug everything. Just check real close and you'll find out how. I've got it apart, and here's what we found. Right there is a burned up circuit.
Goes to the PCM relay.
Yep, and here are 3 of the connectors. Right there, that were just burned off, all of those. And instead of replacing your PCM and the relay, if you ever have a problem with this truck, which is common, this Motorola part can be replaced through a used salvage yard somewhere. You can definitely do that. If you try to buy a brand new one, they're pretty costly. If you want to, it'd be better to buy a brand new one. But you get about 10 years on these. And that's when your problems start to happen. Your ignition won't crank over, and your starter doesn't work. It seems like everything's dead. You can't get a PCM reading. Everything's red through this. This is your power supply. There's your main power in. Everything gets power. On this particular vehicle, we took this apart because there was no power coming up to the relay, which is up here somewhere. It's right here. Is it burnt? No, this one's not burnt. It's actually up here. Yeah, it's on this side. So that's the PCM relay. It sits up here, and it just has so much power coming through it. And if it's not really tight, it does burn. It sparks across and melts it.
And just so y'all know, look for this green
charred marks.
The green stuff will be on both the relay and the box.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to know how to take one of these apart, if I can remember, we'll go ahead and do a take apart video. Thank you.